Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. I am your friend John. Today the topic of my video is bulldog. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. In dog families, bulldog are a very important and its culture in the things. The face of bulldog is very impressive and attractive. Bulldog is a very intelligent and a skillful animals. Bulldogs are available in all over the world, such as like America and Australia. Bulldog available in all shapes, size and also colors. Especially bulldog available in white and brown colors. The face of bulldog is very attractive. The people come together to think it's very. I hope you will be enjoy this video. Before ended my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for my next video. Take care your pets because pets is our life. Goodbye.